Using the Profit Prediction Simulator. Hey there, friends! Using FXFunnel is a smart and guaranteed way to drive traffic, generate leads, get sales, and make tons of online money. But did you know that you can actually predict how much money you'll make off a funnel made with FXFunnel? Yes, you can use the FXFunnel Simulator, a built-in tool that allows you to simulate how much activity a funnel gets and to predict profits based on that activity. You can find the simulator by clicking on the Simulator tab from any page on the app's dashboard. To create a simulation, click on the New Simulation button. At the start, you'll be able to select the type of funnel that you want to simulate. For this example, we'll select Sales to simulate a sales funnel. After you select the funnel, you have to enter the name of your new simulation into the Simulation Name field. Then you have to click on Next to continue to the simulation. In the simulation dashboard, you will be able to configure traffic and expenses, and every step in the funnel according to the type of funnel that you selected. Let's start by configuring traffic and expenses. Here you can enter your average traffic by source as well as your average costs, which should include your advertising and marketing expenses. Start by adding your traffic sources by clicking on the Add Traffic button in the Traffic section. First, enter the name of your funnel or campaign into the Campaign Name field. Next, enter the name of your traffic source into the Source field. The source of your traffic is where you'll funnel traffic from, such as Facebook ads or a Google Ads campaign. Next, enter the cost of your campaign into the Cost field. Now enter the average number of monthly visitors that you'll get into the Monthly Visitors field. Lastly, enter how much you predict or how much is your average cost per click has been in similar past campaigns into the CPC field. Then click on Save to add your traffic source. Next, click on the Add Expenses button to add an additional expense. Here you can add total costs per campaign, cost per acquisition, per lead, and any other costs that impact your campaigns. First, enter the name of the expense into the Name field. Then enter the total expense into the Amount field. Then click on Save to add this new expense. Now you can start adding your average or forecast metrics to each page in your funnel. Let's click on the Opt-in page to show you with an example. In general, all you have to do is add your average or estimated conversion rate into the Conversion Rate field in the Page Settings section. Then click on Submit. There are pages that will require you to value additional metrics depending on the actions that users can complete on the page. Let's click on the Checkout page to give you an example. On a checkout page, visitors can purchase a product, so on checkout pages you also have to add information about the product. For instance, here you have to add the name of the product, the price of the product, the cost of producing the product, and the average refund rate that your product gets because it also impacts your profits. Click on Submit and then enter your average or predicted conversion rate into the Conversion Rate field above. Click on Submit and then add a conversion rate to the rest of the pages in your funnel. Once you have added your traffic sources, your expenses, and your page metrics, click on the Results tab to see your forecast. In this page, you can see a detailed breakdown of your potential results. These results include monthly and yearly revenue, cost, profit, traffic, and leads. Other metrics included in the results are conversion rate, earning per click if it applies, cost per click, and cost per acquisition. You can use this information to test out possible results, and we recommend you go back to the funnel page to try out different traffic sources, expenses, and metrics so you can optimize your campaigns based on these results. You can click on the Settings page to edit the name and description of your simulation and to change the currency if you want to test and see results in a currency other than the US dollar. And this is how you use the FXFunnel Profit Simulator to get the advantage.